Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix the issue on your Samsung Galaxy device where it's saying that of course um, free up some space. Notice it says your phone is almost out of space. Tap to see some quick ways you can free up space. And of course it gives you managed storage and show you to do this quickly. There's some quick tips. Alright, so first thing you want to do guys is to check for unnecessary files. So go into your device, search for pictures and videos and delete any picture or video that is unnecessary. All right. So if you've been taking a lot of pictures and deleting a lot of stuff, there's one thing you need to do as well. Go to trash. As you can see, I have a ton load of stuff in my trash. All right. So what you can do from here is to empty the trash. So go to here and hit empty. All right, it's gonna ask you, do you want to delete 196 items? So that's a lot of items, a lot of files. So if I hit delete, all right, it has deleted my trash. And if I go back here, it still most likely still give me the error, although it should be significantly cleared. You can go to settings. All right, you can go to device care. So let's go back to settings here, and you're going to search for device care. Here we go, and it should check to see. Notice this says storage, and it's showing me that I have 45 gigs available, and it's no longer in the red. All right, it's showing that I have 45 gigs. That's a lot. So the problem is fixed. So, and of course the warning simply warns you before you run out of space. I could hit optimize now while I'm still good. That too will free up some space. Hit done. All right, so as you can see, it's now in great. All right, so that's another way to free up some space. Next, you can look through your apps and look for unnecessary apps, uninstall them as well. And you can continue to purge large files or delete them. All right, so if you do all of that, you should be good. And I've deleted some more files. You can also go to the manage option that they recommend here for the storage, and it will show you what's actually consuming your space. Notice it's showing me I have 96 gigabytes of video, images, 43, OS takes up like almost a gig, and documents and so on. So especially like documents, you can go through and delete documents, anything that's unnecessary. So documents, as I just showed you, you can go in and delete those files. Sometimes, for example, you notice I have 51 megabytes, not really a lot in terms of gigabytes, but you can tap each area and go through and delete as to necessary. And by doing that, you'll free up a significant amount of space. So as you can see, 80% is used. That's not bad for me. And I have almost 50 gigs. So if I continue to remove files, I'll probably get like maybe 100 gigs of unnecessary files. All right, so that's how you do it on your device. So my device is good again, and I can look there. You notice that it's gone, or they can just simply clear the error once you free up enough space, and make sure that as soon as the error pops up, it's simply warning you to free up some space. All right, so if you back up especially your files and your videos and your pictures and delete a lot of them and remove heavy games, so if you have multiple games installed, keep one of the main ones and smaller games, and manage your space according to the amount of storage that you have. All right, so you can attach a flash drive, or you can connect it to your computer and back up your pictures, and then you'll find a lot more space. So hope that was helpful. So you can actually do that on your device. That's how to track down those files. Remember, in the manage area, you can actually tap the area and then find the files and delete the files. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.